Hey Chase,
That noise.
it's the coffee maker. What are you doing?
Eating
What are you eating?
cereal.
Cereal? What are you doing, Sophie?
Cereal.
What are you doing with your cereal?
Eating
You're eating your cereal? Is it good?
handle.
Don't scoop it with the handle.
Scoop, scoop, scoop.
Scoop too? Okay, as long as you don't make a mess.
That noise.
It's a kitty cat. Sophie, Mommy loves you. You love me too.
That noise.
It's the TV.
That noise.
That's the kitty cat scratching on the food over there. The food bag. I think she wants me to feed her.
Cute.
Sophie too.
I like it too. Kitty cat too.
Eat your cereal. Mommy loves you.
Cat like eat poop.
No, the cat doesn't eat poop. Hey Chase, Mommy loves you. I love you.
I love you.
I love you so much. Bless you. Bless you.